We have to be specific when it comes to ball possession. In what areas? I think Chiefs dominated possession, but not necessarily threatening. That goes for both teams. Magesi had an opportunity of a lifetime, and they didn't use it. So for me, that sums up the first half.
The break and play then, see, are you expecting a Kaizer Chiefs that is supposed to have that synergy, that impose themselves onto Magesi, and you're not seeing that?
Yeah, that's because they doing a lot of things wrongly, and there's a lot of bad habits in the players themselves, which doesn't allow them to have the fluidity to get the ball flowing. Like, for instance, it's a basic principle that there's always space on the opposite side, especially from the midfield area, or when you're coming out from one side, you try and cook it up, but you're looking to play on the opposite side. Not even once. A lot of wasted runs, especially from Froster, trying to dart forward, but nobody sees him. And I don't think it's a problem. I don't think it's a tactical problem. It's a personnel problem, because the players that they have in that field right now don't have that inside them. They don't have the quick decision to make 1-2 touches and change the ball to the other side. They don't have the decision to say in tight areas to decide quickly. Everybody is just trying to do their own thing. Hence we see even Ranga has to fashion an opportunity from a 1v1 situation.
Yeah, I mean, we spoke about it with Sia that when Ranga actually missed, but after that is also the counter from Kaizer Chiefs. They had opportunities, of course, in front of goals, but as you can see, not threatening chances. Yes, they get to that final third, which is expected. They're the home team. They will attack, but nothing much. I have to give it to Ranga. He's tried his best, and he's very aggressive. He goes forward, positive from him. But the counter here for me, that's what I think really didn't Magesi should have made use of it.
Yeah, great play there from Ranga, but it seems like Mfundo all the time, when he gets into those positions, the only thing that is fixated in his mind is to get a shot away. That's why many of his shots are blocked. He doesn't open his mind to options around him, because in that situation, it's either you go first time, or you control quick and shoot because bodies are coming at you, or you push it away from any players that are coming at you and get a shot away. But often in times, he just tries to shoot when there's bodies in front of him. That's the decisions I'm talking about. These are individual decisions, and it's not something that has to do with the tactic, but they have to be encouraged from the bench by the coach for them to be able for the players to get them in their heads and implement them in the field of play.
For Magesi, then, they would have expected Uguti coming into this game. They should try and catch Kaizer Chiefs on the counter, those fast breaks.
Which is a chance that will come, not often. Here, look at Blom. He decides, he's indecisive. And for me, again, indecisiveness also from Magesi. I mean, it's 2 against 1. You have space behind the defender. It's a drill. Let the defender commit, maybe totally in this occasion. Let him commit, fake a pass. I mean, decisiveness for me, I think, let them down. That is Magesi. That should have been a counter that led to a goal.
Very bold statement they made by Sebong Nkosi, saying it's not so much about the system that they are trying to employ, but more so about the playing personnel and the decisions that are being made by the playing personnel. Well, when we return, we will head straight to the